changing the tick frequency on the X or Y axis. I am trying to fix how Python plots my data. Say, the X-axis ticks are plotted in intervals of 5. Is there a way to make it show intervals of 1?
You could explicitly set where you want to tick marks with plt.xticks. For example, np.arrange was used rather than Python's range function just in case min, x, and max, x, are floats instead of ints. The plt.plot, or ax.plot, function will automatically set default x and y limits. If you wish to keep those limits, and just change the step size of the tick marks, then you could use ax.get_lim to discover what limits matplotlib has already set. The default tick formatter should do a decent job rounding the tick values to a sensible number of significant digits. However, if you wish to have more control over the format, you can define your own formatter. For example, here's a runnable example.
Another approach is to set the axis locator. There are several different types of locator depending upon your needs. Here is a full example.
I like this solution from the matplotlib plotting cookbook. This solution gives you explicit control of the tick spacing via the number given to ticker.multiplicator, allows automatic limit determination, and is easy to read later. In case anyone is interested in a general one-liner, simply get the current ticks and use it to set the new ticks by sampling every other tick.
If you want to support the channel, please